CBS 5 has been investigating Arizona's medical marijuana industry since the beginning, but no one saw this coming. Are medical marijuana oils and edibles actually legal?
A lot of people assume that they are, but that's the question before the state Supreme Court tonight. Our Derek Stahl joins us live. Derek, this case has obviously huge implications for Arizona's nearly 200,000 medical marijuana patients.
Yeah, that's right. There's been a lot of uncertainty in Arizona's medical marijuana community since an appeals court ruling last year. Now, since that decision, prosecutors in some counties have been charging medical marijuana cardholders with felonies for possession of marijuana extracts that are sold in dispensaries every day. When it comes to medical marijuana, there's the flower you can smoke, and then there are all kinds of products made from it. The Arizona Supreme Court is deciding whether or not those extracts are legal.
Eventually, I will die if this medicine is taken away.
Beth Vanderwagen uses extracts for her cancer and seizures.
I have edibles that you can pop in my mouth while I'm having the seizure, and it stops it within seconds. I can't, when I'm having a seizure, I can't sit there and start smoking a joint.
The case of Arizona versus Jones is all about legal definitions. The state argues that marijuana and cannabis are actually two different things.
The plain language of the AMMA does not protect cannabis or hashish either, because it only protects an allowable amount of usable marijuana.
Robert Mandel represents a medical marijuana cardholder named Rodney Jones, who was charged for having some hashish he bought at a dispensary.
You look to how the drafters of the AMA defined marijuana as all parts of the plant. The inference is that they encompassed every part of the plant, including the part that has the medicines, which is the resin.
The Supreme Court is deciding whether or not to overturn an appeals court ruling that effectively made extracts illegal.
This vape pen around my neck, this is actually two different narcotics felonies, each pen.
As the case plays out, advocates say they're aware of at least 24 cardholders who have been criminally charged for having extracts in Yavapai, Pima, and Navajo counties. And Yavapai County Attorney Sheila Polk confirmed to me that her office is prosecuting those cases. She says until there's a Supreme Court decision, the appeals court ruling is the law of the land, and she has sworn to uphold that law. We're told the Supreme Court will likely issue a decision in about 3 months. I'm Derek Stahl for Arizona's Family.